Hey guys, welcome back to Archery Watercolors. Stay tuned for a quick summary. Thanks. Again, welcome back to Archery Watercolors. Today we have just a quick summary of a painting that I call Rocks on a River's Edge. I've been working on my rocks, which I got a long ways to go, but kind of like my trees and the little birds flying, but you tell me. Anyway, here we go. Just a quick summary. Thanks. Here I'm just fooling around. We have rocks along a river's edge. We zoom down here in the foreground. You have some grass, higher grass, and the land features various grass, rocks, big boulders. I'm not the best. I'm learning how to do boulders. I haven't got there yet. Some trees growing up between and behind the boulders. Grass sprouts. Come down, some more reeds and grass. Middle ground. Rock. And now we're coming up on the river's edge. Threw a little couple birds in there. And sky. Zoom out.